Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 19 St Abbs Crescent in Pittenweem. This is a spacious, really well presented 3-bedroom, 2-reception maisonette split over 2 levels with the added advantage of 2 attic rooms that would make perfect dens, working from home spaces, additional living space if required. So it really does have plenty of potential while also having driveway, garden space, and wait until you see the views that you get from one of your bedrooms. It really is the property that ticks all the boxes while being in an idyllic location. Walking distance to the beach, the Fife Coastal Path, the primary school, the high street for cafes, bakers, hairdressers. So there's everything within close proximity while getting this really spacious property. You are going to be surprised with this one. And as I said, it's well presented, so it's moving condition and ready to go. Let's head inside. I'm going to show you everything that's on offer, and as always, keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is the entrance to your property, number 19, and then this is one of your reception rooms. This is an additional reception room, and this is one of your bedrooms, and wait until you see the views that you get from up there. So you come along your path. Now your driveway is here, so this is where you have your off-street parking, just at the side here. And obviously you've got this laid-to-lawn grassed area. And then if we just head down the back, let me show you the outdoor space while we're here. So you've got plenty of storage in there as well, so that's a fantastic addition. That could even be a workshop or anything to make it work for you. And then you've got all of this later lawn, nice and low maintenance as well, but still a really fair size for you. So this is your outdoor space. As I say, driveway, and even if you wanted to, you could open that up and extend the driveway if you need a lot more space, because you've got all of this to the side as well. You could get some lovely colours in here as well, get mature shrubs and plants. But then this is the entrance to your property, and then literally head in that direction and you're right at the sea, which is just amazing. But you come in, so coming in you head upstairs, but you have this little entrance area, so you could easily get storage for coats and shoes and boots. Now new carpet as well, so it still smells lovely and fresh. You can actually have the new carpet smell. But then coming in you have your long entrance hallway. Now we're going to start in the first bedroom. This is currently being utilised as a home office study. However, it would fit a double or king size bed. And you can see just how bright it is. It's lovely and bright, and I love the high ceilings as well, just adds to the spacious feel. You then have this area for storage, but this is one of your bedrooms. Then coming along, storage cupboard just here. You then have one of your reception rooms, and this is just great. It's almost like you could have a family snug area. And I even love this feature as well. It's just amazing. Lovely big windows, making it lovely and bright in here, but it also gives you a look to the sea. You've got a storage cupboard just there. But this is a fine size. Then back out into your hallway. And I love the storage that you get with this home. There is so much storage. That is a great size cupboard that goes way back. You could even get further storage out here if you like, but that is a fantastic addition, making this a really practical family home. Now I absolutely love this dining room area. Also, it could be an additional living room space if you wish, but this is fantastic for size. You've got an alcove there for storage. As you can see, you have your feature fireplace. You've got ample floor space because you've got a big dining table and still plenty of area. And you've got big windows that allow that natural light to flood in, and then there's the sea. That's just how close you are. It's incredible. But this is your dining room space. Isn't it just fantastic? Then we come through into your galley kitchen. This has been beautifully finished. Now this is an additional area for them to do food preparation. You can leave it there if you wish. So you've got all of this cabinet and worktop space. You've got integrated fridge freezer, obviously your oven. You have washing machine just behind the door just there, and then your 5-ring hob and extractor. But we really have utilised this space to get as much cabinet and worktop space, what I absolutely love. And I love the feature of the Oxford tiles. So this is just a brilliant addition, and it's nice that it just opens through into the dining room area. And then there is storage just under the stairs there, so you could make that a pantry or put some further white good appliances. Isn't this just amazing? And as I say, it's so bright as well. There's still plenty more to see. So as we come in, this is a further bedroom, another great size. Again, double or king in this space. And again, lovely and bright. Plenty of space for all of your bedroom furniture. And again, the addition of the alcove for storage if you wish. And as you've probably noticed, all the windows are open and it's so peaceful here. You can actually just hear the birds in the background. It's just fantastic. So this is your brand new contemporary bathroom. So you've got floor to ceiling wet wall, which just makes it perfect for cleaning, low maintenance. But isn't it just amazing? You've got your heated towel rail, WC. You've got your vanity wash hand basin with a mirror above that's the smart touch as well. So you've got great light. And then your P-shaped bath with your shower overhead that has the rainfall water head. So it's fantastic quality, really high standard and contemporary. As I say, brand new. And just look at that, isn't it just stunning? And then this is where we get to see even more of your property. So heading upstairs, this is where we have further bedroom and attic space. Again, brilliant addition of further storage in front of us just there. So spoilt for storage. Now this is technically your final bedroom. So again, you can see just how much of a great size it is. You really are spoilt with the bedroom sizes with number 19. You've still got all this space behind. Easily get a double and king in this space. Storage cupboard just there. Little alcove for further storage. But you've got 3 great big windows. And again, you get to see the sea. So fantastic. That's just how close we are. Isn't that incredible? Especially on a day like today. But just imagine the sunsets that you will wake up to and the sunrises as well. So they're stunning. Or even like a day, obviously with fireworks, for example, you'll be able to just see right across the Firth of Forth. So amazing. So then we come along. So this is where we have your attic rooms. So you've got low lights in the ceiling. And you come along here. And this could be utilised as a bedroom space if you wish. Or it could be a children's playroom. It could be a home office study. So this is another great space. You've got the window there, which is lovely and bright, letting the natural light flood in. But plenty of space within here. This is just fantastic. So hopefully by now, you're imagining what you would do with this space to make it work for you and your family. And then through that door is your additional attic room that is currently being utilised for storage, but again is a fantastic size. So that is everything that you're getting. And I just have to stop to show you because I even love the character of this door and the wrought iron detail. It's just amazing. But look at that sun beaming in through here. It's so bright. But that is everything that is on offer with number 19. So I'm going to meet you outside and we will do a recap. So that was the personal property tour for 19 St Abbs Crescent in Pittenweem. You have just seen how much space you are getting with this property. You really are spoilt, and you've seen the condition as well. It is well presented, move-in ready to go. So you're a maisonette split over 2 levels, 2 reception rooms, so perfect for socialising and entertaining, 3 bedrooms, one of which has the views. Not forgetting you've got that high standard contemporary shower room, your galley kitchen, and then 2 further attic rooms as well, which provide so much additional space that you can just work for you and your family, whether it be additional living space, bedroom space, working from home area, playroom, craft room. The options are endless, so it really is a spacious property in great condition. You've seen just how well presented it is, while also getting driveway space and outdoor garden space. And of course you've seen the views as well, which is just incredible. Walking distance to the Fife Coastal Path, the beach, the primary school, down to the high street for convenience items, Barnett's the bakers, cafes, hairdressers. So there is everything within close proximity to you while getting this fantastic property that you do not want to miss out on. Click the link, message me directly, or feel free to call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at Fife Properties. Take care.